Hello everyone. Today date is 25 April 2022. My name is Dinesh Jaipure. Today's my topic is constructor and methods. Difference between constructor and methods. What is mean by constructor? Constructor is a um, constructor is a class name is same as and constructor name is same as is called as a constructor. Constructor is a main basic concept in Java to use in a object-oriented programming language. Java is a pure object-oriented programming concept based on programming language. All the variables, data, and the statement must be present in classes. These classes consist of both constructor and methods. Methods and constructor are different from each there a lot of way. In present in constructor. Constructor what is mean by constructor? Constructor are used to the initialization the object of state. Like methods, a constructor is also contained in a collection of statements that are executed at a time of object creation. Each time of an object creating using the new keyword at least one constructor. It includes the default constructor. In default constructor, new line of constructor by default is a new line constructor to the call automatically. In order to the assign the initial value to the data members of the same classes. And then next one is methods. What is mean by methods? Methods is a collection of statements that perform to the specific task. It is returned to the result of caller. A method can be performed to the some specific task without returning anything. Methods allows to the reuse the code without returning retyping the code. In Java, every method must be part of some classes which differs from languages to the like C and C++ language. Next one is a difference between constructor and method. First difference is a constructor is a block of code that initializes to the newly created object in constructor. That methods what is first one is a method is a collection of statement which returning to the value upon the execution time. A constructor can be used to the initialize the object and a method consists of the Java code be executed. A constructor is invoked implicitly by the system. A method is invoked by the programmer. The next difference is a constructor is invoked when an object is created using the keyword of new. New keyword are used in the constructor, and this keyword to use to the recall to the use. And method is invoked through the methods call to use in method. Next difference is a constructor does not have a return type, and method must have a return type. A constructor is initialized the next difference is a constructor initialized to the object that does not exist, and a method does not operation of an already created object. A constructor name must be same as a class name. Method's name can be different or anything. A class can have many constructors but must not have a same parameter. A class can have many methods must not have same parameter. The next one difference is a constructor cannot be inherited by subclasses and method in method can be inherited by subclasses in present. Thank you.